What if I told you there's a gold mine sitting right in front of you, ready to be tapped? No, I'm not talking about buried treasure. I'm talking about Google. That's right, Google. The same search engine you use every day can be your ticket to earning $300 or more every single day. Skeptical? I get it. But stay with me. Think about it. Google processes billions of searches daily. People are constantly looking for information, products, and services. This represents a massive opportunity. With the right approach, you can leverage Google's power to generate a steady stream of income. This isn't about complicated algorithms or technical wizardry. It's about understanding how Google works and using simple, accessible tools to your advantage. We'll explore practical strategies that anyone can use, focusing on Google News, Spinbot, and compelling article writing. Ready to unlock the potential of Google and start earning real money? Let's dive in. Google News is your secret weapon. It's a constantly updating feed of what's happening in the world, a goldmine of trending topics and fresh content ideas. This is where you'll find the seeds for your money-making articles. How? It's simple. Browse Google News regularly. Look for stories that are gaining traction, particularly in areas that interest you. This could be anything from technology and finance to health and entertainment. The key is to identify topics that people are actively searching for. Once you have a hot topic, it's time to put your own spin on it. Don't just rehash the same old news. Instead, offer a unique perspective, a fresh angle that sets your content apart. Remember, Google News is your starting point, your source of inspiration. It's where you'll find the pulse of the online world and identify the topics that will drive traffic to your content. Now that you have your topic, it's time to create engaging content. Writing from scratch can be time-consuming. That's where Spinbot comes in. Spinbot is a powerful tool that can help you generate multiple versions of an article quickly and efficiently. How does it work? Paste your base article into Spinbot. The tool will then rewrite the text using synonyms and restructuring sentences to create unique variations. This allows you to produce a large volume of content without sacrificing quality. Don't think of Spinbot as a shortcut to lazy writing. Instead, view it as a force multiplier, a way to amplify your efforts and create a wider reach for your ideas. With Spinbot, you can transform a single article into multiple pieces of content, each with its own unique flavor, ready to be shared across different platforms. Content is king, but not just any content. We're talking about engaging, informative, and well-written articles that capture attention and keep readers hooked. Here's the secret. It's not as complicated as you might think. Start with a strong headline that grabs attention. Use numbers, questions, and powerful words to pique curiosity. Then structure your article logically, using clear headings and subheadings to guide the reader. Keep your paragraphs short and concise. Use bullet points and lists to break up large chunks of text and make your content more visually appealing. Most importantly, write in a clear and conversational style, as if you're speaking directly to your reader. Remember, your goal is to provide value to your audience. Offer insights, share knowledge, and keep them coming back for more. Now comes the exciting part, monetizing your content. There are several ways to turn your words into wealth. One of the most effective is through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission on each sale you generate. Find products related to your article topics and seamlessly weave affiliate links into your content. Another powerful monetization strategy is through advertising. Platforms like Google AdSense allow you to display ads on your website or blog. You earn revenue based on clicks or impressions. The key is to choose monetization methods that align with your content and audience. Experiment with different approaches to find what works best for you. Remember, the more engaging your content, the more traffic you'll attract, and the greater your earning potential. Don't just take my word for it. Countless individuals are already using these strategies to earn substantial income online. Take Sarah, for example, a stay-at-home mom who started using Google News and Spinbot to create content about parenting and childcare. Within a few months, she was earning over $200 per day through affiliate marketing. Or consider John, a retired teacher who turned his passion for history into a thriving online business by leveraging Google News to identify trending historical topics and using Spinbot to create multiple articles. He built a website that now generates over $300 per day through advertising revenue. These are just two examples among many. The point is, these strategies are not theoretical. They are tried and tested methods that are working for real people, generating real income. The beauty of these methods is their scalability. Once you've established a successful formula, you can rinse and repeat, expanding your reach and multiplying your earnings. Create a system for identifying trending topics, generating content, and monetizing your work. This will streamline your workflow and allow you to produce more content in less time. As you gain experience, you can explore new niches, experiment with different monetization strategies, and constantly refine your approach. The possibilities are limitless. Remember, success breeds success. The more you create, the more you learn, and the more you earn. Efficiency is key. Treat your time as a valuable resource and optimize your workflow to maximize your output. Set clear goals for each day and allocate specific time slots for research, writing, and promotion. Use tools and resources that streamline your tasks. Explore content scheduling platforms to automate your publishing schedule. Leverage grammar and spell checking software to ensure high-quality content. The more efficient you are, the more you can accomplish in a given day, leading to increased earnings. Remember, time is money. Make every minute count and watch your productivity soar. So there you have it. The path to earning $300 or more per day using Google is clear and achievable. It's about leveraging the right tools, embracing a creative mindset, and taking consistent action. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back. Start small, experiment, and learn as you go. The beauty of this journey is that there's always something new to discover, something new to create. The Google Goldmine awaits. Are you ready to claim your share?